Hey guys, Epic Game is taking away the hunting rifle, so I wanted to just show you proof and show you some clips.
Might vault the hunting rifle. That's what I saw on Twitter. Wait, they're gonna vault the hunting rifle? Wait, no way, man. There's no way. They just vaulted a sniper. I don't think so, but maybe they do. I don't know.
Epic's vaulting the hunting rifle. It's all over the files.
No, they're not.
No.
So the data miners are saying
They shouldn't be able to data mine it. Nothing's out yet. No way, dude. They just vaulted the auto snipe. No fucking way that they vaulted
I got one tapped.
146.
Bloom shot. Oh! 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 Oh my god! I knew that shit was gonna hit, bro. Oh my god, I had no bloom on that shot. Oh my god. Bro, what are my no scopes right now, dude? Oh my god. Holy shit. That shit lined up perfectly. What? Yeah? Don't you dare swing that squeaky toy at me, bro. You know I'll lift your shit up. What?
Wait. You could have just crouch beamed him. Yeah, I'm fucking getting knocked down, bro.
I never get knocked down. Oh, he knows how to place a roof, dude. This guy must be nasty with it. Yeah, you can suck it, dog. You just got literally no scoped in the face. How do you feel? How do you feel, buddy? You just got no scoped as well. You can join your friend? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bud. These guys are using shotguns, bro. They can't handle the snub-nosed barrel musket.
Snub-nosed barrel musket right to the back.
Yeah, brother. It's a sus campfire, dude. I don't remember putting that there. This man's in the, yo, you know he's in Dusty. Everything will be okay. I promise you that. Yeah, relax, dude.
Don't die, Mom.
No way.
No. Yikes.
Yikes.
This guy coming out to you? Right on the hill? That house is fucking stupid, man. It's 3 nights in a row, man, I think.
Like, I've seen this in movies.
Yeah, that's exactly what I said. I simply thought of Project X and I got in there.
I'm not good at
Oh, you see
propelling
him?
shopping carts, dude.
See that guy?
That guy?
No, to your left.
Oh, this guy? What about this guy?
Oh, you hit him!
Oh my god.
Oh my
Oh!
god, what?
Oh my god, that's two hit markers, brother.
What the fuck?
You know they talk about my fucking no scopes, dog.
You're a bot.
Yeah, I'm
That
a
guy's
bot.
shotgunning his wall. He can't get out.
Yeah, well he's fucking nasty with it. That's why.
Look at his window. He made a fort. Oh my! Turner! Oh my god, dude.
You know it's easy breezy, beautiful cover girl in this bitch.